Hey there, welcome to my channel. Thanks for being here today. Today I'm going to show you this chalk paint makeover. You might recognize this cabinet. It's a project I did a few weeks ago. And if you came in on this or you liked it, I apologize. I really like it, but it doesn't go with my decor. And after sitting on it for a while, I've decided to keep it. So I repainted it in Annie Sloan's French linen. If you're not familiar with Annie Sloan chalk paint, it is designed to paint over just about anything, even finishes and waxes, no stripping or sanding required. And so that's exactly what I do here. I went with a textured look, brushing in all directions. I love this French linen color. It's probably one of my favorites, especially with the white wax on it. I did something different with the top. I basically bleached it without really bleaching it. This required me to get rid of some stains that were in the wood. What you see here are water and chemical stains that don't sand out. I'm going to show you the 3 methods I use to get rid of these. And if this doesn't interest you, there will be chapter links below so you can skip ahead. For the first method, I used Barkeep's Friend. I dumped quite a bit of it on the board. I moistened it really well with a spray bottle and then I scrubbed it in with a wire brush. After that, I wiped off all the excess Barkeep's Friend. Then I repeated that process one more time, but this time I did not wipe off the excess and I let it set overnight. Here's a reminder of what it looked like before. And after, as you can see, the spots are gone. But now we have another type of stain to deal with. For the second method, I used peroxide. I poured it on liberally and spread it around. I did try scrubbing it for a little bit, but it didn't really do much, so I ended up just pouring it on there and letting it set. Here I'm just spreading the peroxide around again, getting full coverage. I'm not scrubbing. I let the peroxide set overnight. As you can see here, it removed the majority of the stains. What's left is very faint. You could probably wipe it out with another round or 2 of peroxide. However, I did not want to sit out another 2 days, so I went on to the third method, which doesn't really remove it so much as it covers it up. At this point, you could move on to whatever stain you're going to go with if you're going to stain the piece. What I did was I basically stained the wood using chalk paint from Waverly in the Cashew color. I mixed in a little bit of Annie Sloan in the cocoa color. And the reason I did that is because I wanted it a little darker and I was out of the Fawn in Waverly. You can use Fawn or you can just use Cashew for a beautiful blonde color. I didn't make a traditional color wash, rather I did kind of a heavy stain. So what I did was I dipped my brush into the paint first, working the paint into the brush. Then I dipped it into the water, careful that it was more paint than water, yet still drenched when I applied it. I traced the brush along the wood grain, smoothing the color over the board. I wiped off the excess just like you would when applying any other stain. Here's the difference after the first coat. It's not going to look like this when it dries, as you'll see here in a minute, but I did this 4 times, so 4 coats before it even dried. Then I let it set overnight to see if I wanted another coat. In this case, I did not, but your case may be different. And here's a quick reminder of what we started with. Here it is now, and the result is stunning. I love it. This is exactly what I was going for. But tell me what you think. Is it a good look for this piece? Personally, I think it's the perfect top for this cabinet, especially with the white wax, which is what I did next. I applied the white wax liberally and wiped off the excess. I added gold gilding wax to the hardware and trim. Here again is the before, and here it is now. I love this so much, especially with the natural wood and the gold. But that's just what I like. Tell me what you like in the comments below. Is this your color, or do you prefer the blue? Again, thank you for being here. I do appreciate you. And if you like this video, please like and share, and definitely subscribe for more. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.